Hey, welcome guys. I'm so sorry you had to see me in this state.
Wake up. Are you okay?
What time is it?
Noon.
God, I'm so sorry guys. It was kind of a rough night last night. Carnival's just about to start. Just give me a minute, okay? We're gonna do this.
Hey, those things happen to the best, right? Let's get this show started.
All right, all freshened up. We're now pumped and ready for another beach walk on beautiful Ipanema Beach. With just a few days left to the notorious Carnival week, you can just feel the energy building up around here. Let's have a walk that is normal weekday before all hell breaks loose.
So this is the situation. The carnival was supposed to happen exactly now, but it's been cancelled, but people still have that carnival feeling we're gonna check out. Definitely more people on the beach than usual.
And as usual, we're gonna be doing this beach walk posto by posto, one lifeguard tower at a time, all the way to the end at Leblon area.
I'm pretty sure I've said this before, but don't try this walk in a row. It's a long walk and you will be a total wreck if you even make it there.
So far relatively quiet. This is a little quieter part of the beach and it's still just noon. Hoping for this beach to turn into a virtual party just within hours.
So why choose Ipanema over Copacabana? Well, it just seems like the colors are more colorful, and also the crowd consists much more of locals than tourists.
Why should people come to Rio?
Because it's a natural desire for anyone. Most beautiful thing about Rio is people. People here hug you, talk to you, bring you things that you can't imagine. So come here and enjoy everything. Bem-vindo ao Rio! Vem, vem, vem!
If you're being strategic, just do this beach walk in the opposite direction and end up here for the sunset instead.
At this end of the beach, you will find more families and a little older people. If you want a rich young crowd, you'll get to the very end, the Leblon area.
So how about Carnival this year? Well, it's gonna be a little different. The street parties and the parades are postponed until April. But if you're looking up the boardwalk, you will see they're building scenes for entertainment and music. And day by day, you see more people practicing their Carnival costumes. I actually brought a costume myself. Stay tuned for the Swedish Gringo official Carnival costume.
And yeah, it's official. I can't walk anonymously on the beach anymore.
Yes! How did you recognize me?
YouTube.
But I was 100 meters away.
Yeah,
How
but
did you
still.
spot me?
Swedish Gringo!
Swedish Gringo!
Yes! Come on!
So once you made this walk, how long did you actually walk? We're talking about a good 5 kilometers here, and in sand that would be, I guess, about the double in comparison to a normal walk.
Você tem caipirinha?
Sim, muita caipirinha. Mulheres bonitas,
Mulheres?
sol e muita gente, praia cheia. I need caipirinha now.
Well, I guess it's officially carnival time. Why should people come to Rio?
Because we're amazing. It's just a very great place to be. It's a seriously kind of crush every day when you woke up and you look at this view.
No Rio, para mim é a melhor cidade que existe, minha cidade natal. A beleza do mar, das cachoeiras, dos bichos, a energia é muito boa. Bem-vindo ao Rio de Janeiro.
In Ipanema, we have sun for more hours, so we have like a beautiful sunsets. So now I love more Ipanema.
And watch out, these little tricksters are like 15 centiliters of pure alcohol. These two will kill a regular-sized elephant.
I think it's really easy to meet new people here. We're really open to new experiences and new people, so I think it's really easy.
If you're a people person and want a big crowd on the beach, you shouldn't get here too early. Most locals take good time to arrive, and the best vibe is going on somewhere around sunset. Those chairs everyone are sitting on, well, they're about 8 reais a day. That's about $1.50. If you want an umbrella as well, that's $3 more.
And look who's here in the house, Snoop Dogg.
It's Snoop the Dog, very professional. Oh my God, sweet.
I get 10%.
Fair.
This stretch here is a good choice if you want to escape the families and the noise, but still don't want too many people playing music and having fun. Well, time to read a book, I guess. This is where things start to get a little more fun, and where you make unexpected encounters.
Oh, hello, see you on YouTube, yeah? Famous now, famous. Jonathan. Too many Caprinas, eh? There's never too many.
Well, to be honest, that's why I have to leave Brazil every once in a while, to not become a full-fledged alcoholic. Those caipirinhas are just too good. And all these sneaky pictures you see, I actually ask permission, almost always.
So, becoming a little more busy now once we're closing into posto number 9. I don't know about you, but I kind of need a second break. It's brutally hot right now. Water.
And you know how they say, after water you're allowed to have another caipirinha.
Life is good.
It's a great place, like, to go to the beach, enjoy yourself and enjoy with your friends. Everyone knows each other, at least for seeing each other sometimes.
Time to swap for some little more fancy glasses. The new upgraded Gringo.
Another thing you gotta love about Brazil, they just don't care about drone footage. I'm not sure if it's totally legal, but you can do it almost anywhere.
Some clouds, hopefully just passing by. Weather is always nice at Ipanema Beach. One good thing about Rio.
The people are very welcoming.
That's it?
Yeah, I don't know what to say. The drinks are very cheap. True that.
You agree with this?
Yeah, but I also think it's a sun-kissed city.
A sun-kissed city. What does that mean?
Oh, the sun likes Rio very much.
Alright, we've now done about 2/3 of this walk, and each step towards those glorious mountains is one step up price-wise in the bars. Or in English, it gets more expensive.
So nice.
And who hangs around out here if not another Swedish gringo fan?
This is Dylan! I've watched a lot of the Swedish Gringos content, the one and only.
What do you like about Rio, Dylan?
I think the question is really what's not to like. You're alone at the bar, you're alone at the restaurant, come join. Everyone is extremely social here and welcoming, friendly.
Yeah, just look at this guy.
Yeah, man.
Getting a henna tattoo might not be one of my recommendations though. These guys just seem a little too eager to put the needle in your skin.
Right about now, it's about 1:30. The beach is filling up with people, but this part is always a little quiet.
Yeah, this is where Ipanema Beach officially ends and Leblon Beach starts.
Totally optional, but there is a shortcut to the good side of the beach. But that's gonna be for another day. I don't feel like drowning in shit right now.
When you're walking the whole distance, you might not notice the change.
We have now officially entered the Leblon side of the beach.
But jumping straight from posto 8 to posto 11, that will be a huge change clientele-wise. It's simply a different crowd hanging out here.
Leblon it's better because it's more safe than Copacabana. I think it's more calm here. The beer it's cheaper than Copacabana.
I prefer here because you have a beautiful view and from the sea, and you can really enjoy your time here with safety and cold beer.
Just a friendly tip, if you walk too close towards the mountain, you might actually get ripped off on some of that sunset. The sun simply descends behind the mountain before things start getting good.
I'm getting that tingling feeling again. A little thirst for, I don't know, the 5th caipirinha.
Biggest difference caipirinha-wise in Leblon? You tend to get them in a glass.
Let's keep walking towards the end. This here now is where the fun usually begins. It becomes a little more crowded, a little more music, a little more drinking. Now descending into the thick umbrella crowd of party.
So remember, this was taken just before Carnival started. I know for a fact it's even more crowded now.
A little more people here. I think it's time for those last 3 caipirinhas. This will do. Excuse me, ladies. Could you keep the music down a bit? It's bothering me.
Yeah, of course.
It's bothering me.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Por que você prefere Leblon?
Eu acho mais segura a praia e a galera aqui é mais pra cima, não sei, mais animada.
A galera aqui é mais jovem e os drinks são 1000 vezes melhores.
Melhor caipirinha.
Well, let's just cover the last part of this beach before it starts raining.
The distance between posto 11 and posto 12 is actually very small. And I would personally say it starts getting less interesting if you're getting really close to the foot of that mountain. But if you don't want to call yourself a quitter, you have to reach all the way there.
Well, that's the end of the line and the end of this Swedish Gringo Beach Walk video. See you guys for the carnival!
And you know how they said Carnival was cancelled this year? Well, I can tell you it's not. Things are crazy over here. You'll see it all in the next video. Thanks for watching and stay safe.
I'm okay, guys. This was only a prop. I promise you, I would never sleep on a beach in Brazil. Never.